Hello everyone. Do you know how ASP.NET Core can load different files for different environment? Let me show you. Here I have a partial page which load all these CSS files for different environment. Let's say I have a development environment and I have a production environment. So in the development environment, I am using full files, means these are not minified version. And in the production environment, I am using minified version for optimization and performance. And these are the files that I want to use in both version. And if you want to use this partial page in layout, so you will go here and you will include this partial page, and it will load all these CSS file according to your development environment. Same case for script file. If you want to include scripts file for different environments, so you can use script partial page and you can use in layout like this. Is it cool? Tell me in the comments. Follow me for more .NET tips.